Hi friends! The column function returns the first column number within a supplied reference, or if no reference is supplied, the function returns the number of the current column in the currently active Excel spreadsheet. Let's see how the column function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Here, for demo purpose, we are using a worksheet according to the column function. Please check the web URL given in the video description below this video for complete details, that is, syntax and remarks. We are also showing you the description of each function we are going to use here. In the first example, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals column, open parentheses, close parentheses, and press the Enter key. It will show the column in which the formula appears. In the second example, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals column, open parentheses, select the cell D5 as reference, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will show the column number of the reference cell. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching.